I'm the one of the director of this company, Swan Analytical Instruments Private Limited. The J Estate itself, if you just walk in, you can see it's a very nice place with lot of places to walk in also. Even during lunchtime also, people used to just have a round of walk in the floors. So ऐसा काफ़ी अच्छा है. We have enough parking space. It's connected to the highway, and it is also since it is the MIDC, it's a very good location for our customers also. Many of our customers have come here, and most of the visitors जो लोग ने आए हमको बहुत appreciate किया है. That's a very important thing. So when the customers or visitors who comes and appreciate us, then we also feel pride in that.
Why we choose this facility, that is most important. I think as a creative agency, what we required is a space for thinking, and that is the reason why I think this facility gives amazing space, because with a height of 20 feet, I think that gives us an area for thinking, for creativity, for innovation, and that's why I think that is one of the most important reason why we choose this facility. This area is absolutely calm, and this gives us basically environment where creativity can be fostered, innovation can be fostered. So that is the reason why we are part of this facility, and we are very happy with this current facility.
I am one of the directors of McKinsey Engineers Private Limited. Here we are at J Estate 102. We have been running our business since quite some time right now, and we manufacture burnishing tools and machines. Also, if you come down to visit here, you can see that it is very convenient. It is situated right on the main road. The main road is connected to the highway, which enables our employees as well as our clients to have greater connectivity, and they can come down anytime. And very importantly, since this is an industrial as well as commercial space, there is always a risk of a fire breaking out. So the fire extinguishing system is very up-to-date, state-of-the-art equipment here, and it is very convenient to operate this as well. Everyone from the employees as well as the working staff are given the training to handle any fire emergencies.
We are looking for a place जो पूरे फैक्ट्री के बीच में हमको मिला, तो वो हम लोग ने मतलब हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक बेनिफिशियल था, क्योंकि हमारा पूरा एयर कंडीशनिंग का काम चलता है और इन फाइन की फैक्ट्रीज़ में ये सब ज़्यादा है. तो एज अ लोकेलिटी हमको अच्छा लगा ये प्लेस, तो इसलिए हम लोग ने फिर यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होने का डिसीजन लिया, एंड वी बाय द गाला इन 2021. वी हैव शिफ्टेड हियर इन ड्यूरिंग कोरोना, जहाँ पे लॉकडाउन चालू था, एंड यहाँ पे मतलब ऑलमोस्ट पूरे B10 में आई एम द अलोन पर्सन. मैं अकेली बैठती थी यहाँ पे, बट सेफ्टी रीज़न अगर मैं बताना चाहूँ तो यहाँ पे कोई टेंशन नहीं था मुझे. मैं पूरा दिन भी अकेला बैठूँ तो कोई भी ऐसा टेंशन मुझे कभी नहीं आया कि कैसे आ सकता है, कोई आएगा कैसे रहेगा, डर वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं था. तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड थिंग. मतलब सेफ्टी है यहाँ पे, सिक्योरिटी अच्छी है.
We are in this estate from last 4 to 5 years. We done a right choice because of the size of the unit, no, so quite good, spacious, and the height of the each floor also 16 feet. So there is a loft mezzanine facility, and we can do any type of furnishing, partition, and ceiling AC, like that. Anything, any customization we can do, and we are very happy here. And the management also very good and cooperative. They understanding people. So I have to say that we have a good relation with them.
We have industrial galas in J Estate. We started with one gala in I think 2020. From there we have been growing our business, and we have around 7 to 8 galas right now in this premises. The reason why we are growing our business in J Estate is because of the ample parking space that is available, which helps us for our container movement and dispatch of goods easily.
We have been in the industry for last 12 years, but we shifted to Jai Estate 5 years back, and I made a right choice. My business is growing up day by day, and we are lucky. We are lucky that we started with this unit, and now we have another unit as well in the same premises.